Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to prevent others from creating tasks in the task scheduler, then the procedure is through the Registry Editor. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft Windows. Now right click on Windows and we will create a new key. But before that, scroll down in this article and copy this path, which is Task Scheduler 5.0. Now right click on Windows and select New Key. Change the name to Task Scheduler 5.0. We'll go to the right pane and we will create 3 new dword 32-bit entries. The first entry is task creation. Right click, New, dword 32-bit entry, which is task creation. Next one will be task deletion. We will create it, new dword 32-bit entry, and we will name it task deletion. Last one will be execution. Right click, new dword 32-bit value and name it execution. Now click on each one of them and make sure that the value data is 0. I'll tell you what this does. A value data of 0 means that the policy is off. So task creation, task deletion and task execution have been turned off through the Registry Editor. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.